at the very beginning of her session, she says to me, I'm blocked. And she says, I was just told that I'm just to call you and ask you to tell me why I'm blocked.
I'm caffeinated enough for this podcast. And I saw Barbie last night, so I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I figured that. Remember right before this started, you said, am I going to enjoy this show this morning, this recording? And I said, yes, bring your anger.
Okay, please note the requirement for me to enjoy it is to get angry.
Yes, exactly.
Because as an Enneagram 1, this is appropriate anger, as far as I'm concerned. Therefore, it actually excites me to be able to express it. So continue.
Yeah. So then she and I get into this discussion, and she says to me, I don't understand at all how gratitude could be something that's creating a block for me.
It keeps you fucking quiet.
Yes.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.